Hey guys, I'm John with Hops and Brews, and today we're going to be finishing up our two-part review of Good Boys Dog Beer. Yeah. So, like I said, we're going to be finishing up this two-part video review of Good Boys Dog Beer. Check out the first one up above. But before we go any further, remember to hit like and subscribe to this channel. And check out some of the other videos I have. If you like this review or something like that, I'm sure you're going to find a video you'll love. So let's get back to it. We're going to be checking out the last two beers from Good Boy Dog Beer. Mailman Malt Liquor. I don't know what the malt liquor is. That supposed to be like also a pun or whatever? But yeah, okay. And we got Session Squirrel. Actually, I like it. It's Session Squirrel. Good Boy Dog Beer, Mailman Malt Liquor, made with bone-in chicken, turmeric, oranges, basil, carrots, cilantro, fennel, ginger, and water. All right, this actually kind of sounds like a chicken soup. Session Squirrel is made with carrots, apples, green beans, celery, oranges, sweet potatoes, ginger, turmeric, mint, and water. Okay, that actually doesn't sound too bad. Carrots are usually pretty sweet. We got orange, ginger for some spice, sweet potatoes. That actually might not be bad tasting. A non-alcoholic beverage intended for dogs only. Well, okay. They look nothing like beer. A little bit of floaties of something in each one. I'm gonna start off with what I'm hoping is the better flavored one. The Session Squirrel. That does not smell good at all. But it does smell like dog food. So, that's probably appealing, but it doesn't smell good to a human. Like I was expecting with the carrots and apples and sweet potato, it would kind of almost smell like Thanksgiving. No, it smells like Thanksgiving that got put in your garbage disposal a week ago. That's what this smells like. Oh, let's see. Oh, I don't know. This one actually has a lot of floaties. I don't know if you can see that. All of the... Oh, yes, you can see that. There it is. Oh, yes, look at that floating thing. Okay, well, I made my own bed. Might as well lay in it. Oh, God. Oh my God. Okay, I know what that tastes like. That literally tastes like, and some people might like this, but it's like, what I'm going to describe it is the cheapest ingredients possible. This tastes like cheap mustard, raw onion, ketchup on a really bad hamburger with some pickles. That's what this tastes like. And then there's a sour note at the very front end. It's basically like having extra condiments on a McDonald's cheeseburger and it being sour. That's what that tastes like. Oh my God, it's disgusting. And oh God, the aroma, you really can't see it. So I'm just dreading this one now. I really had hopes for this one. I really wish this was like smell-o-vision. Oh, God. I have nothing good to drink. Like really bad ketchup and mustard and onion comes in at the end right there. That's it right there. Some really bad onion. It just doesn't taste good. I don't know if I can go any more on that. Honestly, I'm sorry. That one, I was expecting this these two to be like the semi-decent ones. I can't do any more though. Oh God. Oh. Okay, I pray this chicken one is decent. Okay, Mailman malt liquor. It smells way better than that one. Honestly, actually, just smells just not as offensive. I wonder if they got the two mixed up somehow. Oh God. Oh God. This is so bad. Oh God, it lingers so much. I had nothing to wash this down. This is making everything worse. Oh God. I don't even know how to describe that one. That might be the worst one. I'm gonna have to re-go for it just to help you describe it. But it was bad to just try to swallow it. This is so dumb. That was the worst. Okay, it's got that cigarette flavor I was telling you about, but like chicken fat. Honestly, there's a small redeeming flavor in there. If you dig really, really, really hard, there's kind of that top ramen chicken powder flavor in there. Oh God. Oh, my shirt tastes better than these things. I am, no, not doing any more. Okay, one more. Oh God. Yeah, I'm done. I don't want to do dog food ever again. If your dog likes this stuff, good for them. Enjoy it with them. Don't drink any of it. Don't even try it. Just pray they enjoy it. None of these even try to attempt to taste like a beer or malt liquor or anything. God. Oh, that liquor is so bad. I'm sure dogs would enjoy it. I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. Remember to hit like and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media stuff. The links will be at the very bottom of the description. Oh my God, this stuff still smells so bad. It still lingers in my throat. I don't want to talk. While you're down there, leave it a comment or two, and yeah, let me know.